Hey YouTube, SJ here. I have a very big box in front of me and inside are some Adidas Tubular Invaders. Ooh, let's get to it. Hey YouTube, SJ, I'm back and we have a very big box to unbox. So I have Monsieur Global. Monsieur Le Global, maybe, I don't know, but let's get to it. Probably speeding this up about now. That's a good thing. That was pretty speedy, wasn't it, Mr. B? I'm getting a hang of it now. I'm getting the hang. Yeah, nods from behind the camera. Thank you. Monsieur Le Global, you've done your job. Goodbye. So I've been sale shopping again, and I've been to that probably went out of focus. Now this is a little bit of a risky purchase for me. Sorry, I'm going to put all this to one side because it's not something I'd normally buy, but I'm going to have to be sort of super careful just in case these need to go back. But they were a bit of a bargain buy. So these are, as you can see, it's not a Nike box, it is an Adidas blue and white Originals box, nicely wrapped with the Net-a-Porter bow. Let's very gently, I can do this very gently, Mr. B. Get it up. I'm no good, still no good at unboxing. Ooh, okay, these are nice. So, little sneaky peep there on sneaker cam. Can you pick that up? Oh yeah. So as I said, these are a bit of a risky purchase for me because I'm not a huge Adidas girl. But when Net-a-Porter have a sale, let's just get them both out. They have a proper sale. These had 70% off. These were reduced from £90 to £36. And I thought they're a bit of a risk because they're not really something I'd normally buy, but there was something about them I really kind of liked. So let's take a proper look at this shoe. So this is called the Tubular Invader and it is inspired by 80s Invader Adidas basketball boots. I did read somewhere that they said it was a poor person's Yeezy, but you know, I'm not really into Yeezys, and if it is a poor person's Yeezy, it's just Adidas. Did I really say that? I probably offended lots of people, but you know, I really liked these. There's just something about them. Now they're a real, let's see if we can get this on sneaker cam. They're real pure white with the gum sole, which I really like. And they are leather, and it is this sort of tumbled leather on top with the perforated toe cap. Then you've got this huge Velcro bit here with the lace in underneath. Look how white this is. Then you've got the Adidas sign there. Then around the back, you've got this really nice white suede and the Adidas bar around the back. They are super nice. I just hope, they do look a little bit small. I do hope that they're gonna fit. Sorry, I should have done this way back at the beginning. I'm still out of practice on unboxings, but for all you geeks out there, let's have a look. So these are the Adidas Tubular Invader Strap. They are a UK 6. Oddly, they claim to be a US 6.5, but a UK 6 is normally a US 8.5. Unless that's men's size, and it must be men's sizing. So they are a 39.5 in France, a 6 in Germany. In Japan, they're a 245. In China, they're a 240. New ones on me. And the code is BY3629. So there you go. Now I have to say, these were on sale, and there is, I don't know if Mr. B's getting this on sneaker cam, there's a bit of marking on the toe cap there. So it kind of looks like somebody has worn them and sort of done that a lot of times in them, which is a little bit irritating. But this one is absolutely perfect. Now I got these because they were cheap and because I liked them and I wanted something a bit different. And I think these are going to be really nice for when it finally stops raining and I can start to wear some white shoes again. First impressions, I really like them. They're a bit of a bonkers shape. The leather's really nice and the suede around the back is really nice as well. They're just a nice shoe, and it does actually say, probably not going to pick this up either because it's all white, you're not going to pick this up, but it does say on the inside there, you've got the tubular. And then on, I suppose, detail wise, it hasn't got the, so you've kind of got here, the lines represent the Adidas free stripes. So you have still got the very traditional, you know, obvious branding of the Adidas free stripes on the side. I'll put them up there. Getting that on camera number 2. There we go. So, Mr. B, what are we thinking on sneaker cam? Can I get a nod of some description? I think that is I'm not sure. Okay, Mr. B isn't sure on these. I think they're one of those shoes that you need to kind of see on the old feet. So I may have to do a little on feet of these to totally make my mind up. But because they were on sale, I've literally got to do that probably tonight to decide whether I'm going to keep them or if they're going to go back to Net-a-Porter. So I know they were £36, which, you know, it is a bit of a bargain, but if I don't really like them, I should probably send them back once they're on my feet, but I need to look. Anyway, YouTube, thoughts on these? They are totally different to what I'd normally wear. Do I keep them? Do I send them back? What do we think? Let us know in the comments. I do like them. I do like them, Mr. B. I do like them. I know you're like wavering. I like them. So if you like this sort of thing, me talking nonsense about trainers, give us the old thumbs up and subscribe and hit, I think it's here, that old notification button. And don't forget to join us on Sundays for Streaming Sundays. 8 PM GMT. 12 PM on the West Coast and 3 PM on the East Coast. We always like to have you along for some fun and some chat and me just generally being silly, I guess. Anyway, over and out, YouTube. See you soon. Bye.